Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday. And today's tip, guys, is visualization, right? Shifting your mindset from one of poverty and lack to abundance and wealth. All right. I know of a lot of people who say they want more success, they want wealth, they want financial freedom, right? But they're still living and going about their daily lives with the wrong mindset, with one of lack, with one of doubt, with one of poverty. Okay, and to be honest, guys, you cannot do that. It's totally counterintuitive, right? It's contradicting to the end result in which you say you want. Okay, I once heard someone say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, yet expecting a different result. If you're going to continue to go about your daily lives, your life every day with the same mindset in which you've gone about your whole life that has gotten you to the point where you are, if you're not where you dream of being, then you need to change something. And the first thing you need to change is your mindset and thus your attitude, guys. So that's what I want to share with you today. If you are not one who has come across mindset trainings and teachings, I suggest you do so. There's so much you can learn from even other videos like on YouTube, Facebook. There's so many groups out there and different platforms in which you can find the kind of material to be able to shift your mindset right in the right way. And I don't just mean in terms of money, ladies and gentlemen. We talk a lot about money and wealth here on this channel, but honestly, for you to have success in any area of life, right? If you want to spiritually enrich your life, you can't continue to go about with a mindset of lack or what you don't have, right? One of the biggest things that attribute to a spiritually rich life is one of gratitude, right? But if you're always talking about what you don't have, then you absolutely are totally pushing yourself even further away from maybe a spiritually successful life. Okay, so one of my favorite books, guys, if you're not familiar, is this book right here. It's called Think and Grow Rich, written by a gentleman named Napoleon Hill, right? Even though it sounds like it's all about money, it absolutely is not. There's basically 13 principles that Napoleon Hill breaks down in this book, that all contribute to the philosophy of success. All right, so if you're not familiar with that book, I will put a link in the description below where you can check out, maybe get that book yourself. And again, it's not all about money. Those 13 principles apply to every area of life. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip, and I will see you next week. Peace.